Hi. Good morning, all of you. From today, we are going to start a very big journey. That is, we are going to start a rapid revision for the students of O level. Uh, then we are going to finish our all the syllabus that grade 11 within 3 months. That is a very big task. We have to work hard to cover these things in 3 months. Then I wish to cover one subject per day. Then I am not going to do the whole the subject in a one video. I am going to uh, divide any lesson to small parts, and I'm going to uh, take you the good position with small video clips. Then be with me, then I will guide you to cover your syllabus, and after 3 months I will start uh, the paper class also with after 1 month we can start because after you somewhat covered your syllabus, then we can start to do the papers. And also parallelly I am going to cover the grade 10 syllabus like this rapid revision. Then you can, if you are not covered your grade 10 syllabus, then you can follow my grade 10 videos also. Then parallelly you can cover the all the syllabus within 3 months. Then I hope you may with me and uh, do well, do hard works, and uh, you may achieve the target of your O level at the middle of 2024. Then we'll move to the A. Our target is to get A. Then today I am going to take I'm going to start the lesson. What is our first lesson? That is real number. Then I'm going to start the real number, and I'm going to cover the integers in this video. Then what is a real number? That what is the number system we are using in these days? That means as a standard, what number system we are using now? You know already that number system we call Hindu Arabic number system. That is because that number system was started from Asian countries, and it moved to the Arabic area with the Arabic peoples. Then you know that anyhow we identified first number was 1, 2, 3, like that. It should be because they may at the beginning of our humans, they may start to count their childs, count their animals, like that. Therefore they had to use these numbers 1, 2, 3, like that. Then after that they had to uh, count minus value, because if they lost something, they need to mention those things. Therefore they were adapted to use the minus value. And finally, the Asian people found the value that most of the people didn't care of those values. That's why it was found by at the end, that is 0. Why is 0 found at n? Because that 0 has not value, then they did not require to have a zero like number. But when the mathematical operations and mathematical operation doing, the requirement of number zeros arrived. Then that idea of the zero is came from the Lord Buddha. Lord Buddha is discussing about the meaning of zero, that is nothing else like that. He has told then that according to that idea, that is why that zero was found by Asian countries that like India. Then those number system we named as Hindu Arabic number system. That is the system we are using uh, to do most of the mathematical calculation in most of the languages. Even we have in Sinhala a, like that. In English we have A, B, C like that letters, but in Sinhala also we are using the number 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. Then in English also we are using 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. Then most of the languages in the world, they are using this Indo-Arabic number system. There are some languages they are using their own numbering system. That Arabic language, they are using this type of numbers, and this type of numbers, as I remember, this is their 3 like that. They are using different number system, but standard number system in the world now using is the Indo-Arabic number system. That is the small introduction I given you, you to understand what is the meaning of number system. Then we have to identify each and every part of the number system. There are so many parts in the number system, not even the 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then there are something other we have to learn. That is why we are learning these things as the first lesson of the grade 11 students. Then in Hindu-Arabic number system, we have these symbols. Actually, those are symbols: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then there are 10 digits. How many digits? There are 10 digits. Using those 10 digits, you can make infinite numbers. You can make infinite numbers you can make. Even you can write any amount of number using these 10 digits. To write any number, you need only these 10 digits. Can you remember that Roman number we using that to the 1 we are using I, and to the 2 we are using 2I, and to the 3 we are using 3I. Then when we have the 5, you have to use the IV like that. This is the Roman number system, but we have so many symbols to write a small amount of numbers, but we can't write an infinite number of number using this Roman number system. Then you now understand why we in the world now we have adapted to use this Indo-Arabic number system as as the standard number system in the world. Then you got some idea about the Indo-Arabic number system. Then we now we are going to see the some subsets of this number system. That real number is the numbers that we are using in the real world. All the numbers you can understand at the end of the lesson what is exactly real number, why we are saying it as it is real number. Then the within the real number we have some subsets of numbers. The first subset of number we are going to learn now, that is the set of integer number. We are just telling the integer numbers. Then we have the notation. We have some letter. We have given some letter to explain this number. Actually, at real number we use the capital R to indicate the real numbers. Then not only the capital R, you can see all over that notation we use additional line to mention that is we are talking about the exactly real number. You have to write the capital R and additional line. And when we are going to notate the integers, we are using the capital Z. Not only the capital Z, another additional line you can see here, that Z in the middle of the Z line, we are using another additional line. That's the way we are notating the integers. Then what are these integers? Then you may heard about that counting numbers. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. We can have infinite numbers of counting numbers. Then when we are writing any number set as a set, we have to use the curly bracket. Inside the curly bracket we have to write at least three numbers. Then I have put the 1, 2, 3, comma and triple dot. That means 3 comma and the triple dot mean that is continuing. Then you have to remind not only the displays but also in the sets. When you are working with the sets, if you need to mention the continuity, you have to put at least 3 numbers, at least 3 letters, or at least 3 any other some things. Then after that you have to put this comma and put 3 dots. Most of the students forget to put this comma. Then you have to remind this comma we must put first, and we have to put only the 3 dots. And most of the other students put in some 4, 5 dots also. that is also incorrect. What is the way of correct way? We have to put at least 3 terms, 3 number of the letters, anything with the commas, and after the third one, you have to put the comma, then you have to put the 3 dots. That is the way you are mentioning that series is happening continually. Then that is the way of we are written it as a set of counting number that then those counting numbers we can introduce this thing as a positive integers also, that we can say those counting number are positive integers. Then positive integer we have a notation that is Z, capital Z letter with additional line and plus mark. Then actually that is also the counting numbers. Therefore you can write it like earlier, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma triple dot, and you can close the curly brackets. Then in with the that 0 also included to the integer, therefore that 0 is included, and other thing is included with the integer, that negative integers. What are the negative integers? That positive integers are those are, then negative integers are the negative values of these things. That mean -1 comma -2 comma -3 comma, it is continuing, therefore you have to mention it 3 dots and say it is continuing. Then these 3 sets subset, when we get collectively, if we add those things, that is the actually meaning of integer. Integer means it includes negative integer and 0 and positive integer. Then integer you can nominate as a capital Z with the additional line. Then integer is equal, you can write it like this way, curly brackets, then you can write -3, -2, -1, that is coming in continuing from -n, and 0 it is included, and 1, 2, 3, and it is continuing. This is the one way you can notate, you can introduce that in integer sets. This is the one. This is a one of method. And another way you can write down the integer sets, that is capital Z with additional line is equal to with curly bracket you can start from 0 and you can say 1 plus or minus 1 comma plus or minus 2 comma plus or minus 3 comma triple dot, that means it is continuing. Then this is the way you have to mention if you need any place the integer, you have to mention it as the capital letter. Then those are the thing of integers. Then you have to remind that integer is including with what? That positive numbers and positive whole numbers, that is positive counting numbers. Is it? Then positive counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, and negative counting number -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 like that, and 0 also included with integer. Then you have to remind what the integer meaning of integer. Now you can clearly understand what is the meaning of integer. Okay, then in next video I am going to explain you the natural number. It is donated by capital N, and rational number it is Q, capital Q, and the irrational number that is Q dash, and finally we are going to talk about the real numbers clearly. What are the numbers included with real number? We are going to talk about. Then other than that, if there are real numbers there, then you should have unreal numbers also. That is actually we call that is imaginary numbers. Actually it is not included with your syllabus, but I can I can give you some small idea. Then you can understand clearly why we should call this real number. Then I'm going to now stop this video. I suppose you may follow this video and you may continue with me. I will do the hard work with you to get you A from your O-level exam. Thank you.